Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most than highly welcome. So how are you and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you some very simple ingredients that would help you to actually look beautiful, look pretty even without makeup. Like, this is actually going to make you look so plump, so glowing. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Okay, without wasting any more time, please thumbs up the video if you do love it, subscribe and share, and also leave your comments. Yeah, and let's go. Okay guys, so an amazing remedy that wipe away oldness from your skin, your face, your body is here. Okay, then the first ingredient is cucumber. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps to fight ageness, and it helps to rejuvenate the skin, make the skin look super duper young and glowing, and it also helps to reduce age line, wrinkles, fine lines, and pigments. Yeah, so we're going to be preparing it. Okay guys, so done with the cucumber. Now we're going to be sieving it out. So I'm actually going to be sieving just a little quantity of the juice. Okay, so this is it. And then the next ingredient is honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent that helps so much to rejuvenate the skin, make the skin look younger, ageless, and glowing. And it also helps to polish up the skin. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of honey. Now you have to make sure that your honey is organic, okay, so that it works a whole lot. Now after putting in the honey, you have to give it time to stir so that the honey mix with the cucumber very well. Okay guys, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is egg. Now using egg for the skin helps to tighten up the skin, radiate the skin, and it also close up the pores and make the skin look even young, glowing, and beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting just the whites of the egg, and then we're gonna stir to mix it up together. Okay guys, so after that is done, we're gonna be needing some oats. Now oatmeal helps so much to make the skin look rejuvenated, and it also make your skin look ageless. Okay, so we're gonna be putting some oatmeal, sorry, and then we'll have to stir this. Now since we've actually put in oatmeal, we would have to allow it to sit for a little while. Now the last ingredient, which is very important, is potato. Now potato is a skin brightener. It helps so much to rejuvenate and remove age spots. Okay, so we're going to be peeling this all off. And after peeling, then we would cut it up. And then we'll blend it. Okay, so after blending that, then we'll have to turn it into a bowl, and our ingredients is complete. Now to mix it up really good, I would have to be using my manual mixer to mix it so that the oatmeal could dissolve into the mixture. Guys, so it is done and it is ready to be used, and we're gonna go apply this. So come with me, let's go apply this. Okay, so you want to glow up, you want your face to be shiny. This is the treatment for you. I'm usually very happy when I want to apply ingredients on my face, yeah, because it's gonna make my face really shiny. Okay, so the first thing you do is to dab your face with water, just like this, okay, and then you will apply this. Okay, so this is it. Apply generously onto your face. Okay, so after applying this, for an effective result, you're going to need to brush, scrub. You can actually use your hand, but I'm going to be using this, my brush, and in this, I'm going to be using this back side. See the back side? Okay, so I'm actually going to be using this side to scrub it. This side scrub more than this side. Okay, so scrub. Okay, so to leave this on, going to be needing to apply it again. Okay, so apply this again and leave it for at least 3 to 5 minutes for it to get into your skin really good. Okay, so after that, then you have to go wash it off with lukewarm water and follow suit with a toilet soap. Okay, your face is gonna be looking shiny, it's gonna be looking ageless, and gonna be looking super duper young. So these are very simple and very effective, very strong natural, you know, ingredients that helps to tighten up your skin, that helps to revive your skin and make you look super duper young. Okay, this is actually very amazing and I love it. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Okay, bye.